This video will address developmental networks in genetics and how a phenotype can be the result of interactions between multiple genes. The developmental network shown in this video will use various characters from Game of Thrones. In this network, the Khal Drogo gene inhibits the transcription of the Viserys gene. The Viserys gene is meant to inhibit the transcription of the Daenerys gene. The Daenerys gene promotes the transcription of the dragon gene, and the transcription of the dragon gene leads to the end phenotype of the Unsullied being freed from slavery by Daenerys and her dragons. The repressor genes in this network are the Khal Drogo and the Viserys genes, and the activator genes in this network are the Daenerys and dragon genes. So what would happen if there was a mutation in the Khal Drogo gene? If there was a mutation in the Khal Drogo gene, then the Viserys gene would be transcribed and would prevent the transcription of the Daenerys gene. If the Daenerys gene is not transcribed, then the dragon's gene would also not be transcribed, and the Unsullied would ultimately remain as slaves to their masters. So what if both the Viserys gene and the dragon's gene were mutated? If the Viserys gene is mutated, then it would not be able to repress the Daenerys gene. However, the dragon's gene is also mutated, so this would still result in the Unsullied remaining enslaved. As we can see, all the interactions between these characters play a role in the final result, similar to how interactions between different genes lead to a phenotype, and mutant genes can result in a vastly different resulting phenotype.